Okay guys, when you enter, this is the first towel station, Freedom of the Seas and Reflection Celebrity. And here the crew is working hard for freedom and celebrity reflection. And the guests can take the towels from here and they can bring it back here. Their name is being entered in the register, and that's how, if anything missing, $25 charge, right?
Yes sir.
If towel is not back, $25 we charge, right?
Yes.
That's it. And here is the lovely crew. It's very hot today, and that's the first towel station, right? This is the first towel station by the harbor beach. True. Thank you guys.